Allison's examination is fast approaching, and she's always striving her best to perform well in school. Now she is reviewing her notes, and I know how hard it is to focus with gadgets and various apps that are so tempting to use. But wait, I know something that I could help my daughter to focus with her studies. I will give her IQ Gold. It has DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that offers several benefits for children, primarily supporting brain and eye development, cognitive function as well. It also has lysine, an essential amino acid that offers several benefits for children, including supporting growth, boosting immunity, and promoting healthy bone development. So if you're looking for a product that can help improve cognitive function, memory, and concentration, it is worth considering IQ Gold Milk.